Welcome to today's video where we'll tackle a pesky problem that many Mac users may encounter. The issue at hand revolves around the locate command not generating the necessary database under opt as expected. Even after following the provided solutions, the database file is nowhere to be found, leaving us scratching our heads in confusion. Now, let's dive into the solution that could potentially help resolve this concerning problem. By running the specified command in the terminal, we attempt to trigger the database building process using usr-lib-exec-locate.updatedb. The time taken for this process to complete might vary, but ideally, we should be able to observe the database creation within a few minutes. Continuing on the path to resolving our locate database issue, we explore the running processes related to the database creation. By utilizing the ps command along with grep locate, we can monitor the processes like locate.updatedb and locate.mklocatedb that are essential for database generation. These processes are crucial in creating the database file we've been eagerly awaiting. Moving forward in our endeavor to fix the locate database problem, we delve into the database building process once again. This time, executing the usr-lib-exec-locate.updatedb command with elevated privileges prompts the system to begin constructing the database. Keeping an eye on the time taken for this operation can give us insights into the efficiency of the database creation process. In conclusion, by following the steps outlined and understanding the inner workings of the locate database creation process, we aim to overcome the hurdles hindering us from indexing files under opt. Remember, a little persistence and a dash of technical know-how can go a long way in troubleshooting such issues. Stay curious, stay determined, and keep exploring the vast possibilities of your macOS system. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share any other quirky tech problems you've encountered in the comments below. Keep on tinkering, tech enthusiasts.